In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete guide on how to use Cart AI. Whether you want to generate images, create videos, build AI characters, or explore advanced tools, this tutorial will help you navigate the entire platform with ease. After opening Cart AI, start by signing in to your account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly create a new account. Once you're logged in, make sure to expand the panel on the left side of the screen so you can clearly see all the available tools and sections. On the Home tab, you'll find the basic features such as image generation. Here you simply enter your prompt, adjust the settings, and click Generate to create your image. The video generation feature works the same way. Describe what you want, choose your settings, and generate your video. There's also a section for AR characters, where you can chat with various AI personas if you want to interact with them. At the top, you'll see a global search bar that lets you search across the entire website. You'll also find the Create tab, where you can create images, videos, AI apps, AI characters, posts, and more. From here, you can join their Discord, explore VIP features, download the mobile app, check notifications, or access your account settings. The left side menu includes AI agents, where you can create and manage your own agents. The Events tab shows ongoing activities where you can participate or submit your work. The Inspiration tab showcases creations from the community to help spark new ideas. In the Models and Characters sections, you can explore different AI models and a large variety of characters. The AI Apps section displays featured apps you can use. The AI Video tab includes everything related to video generation, including AI video effects. The Training tab is especially helpful for beginners, offering tutorials and guides. Workflows let you explore pre-built processes, and the Leaderboard shows top community-created apps, characters, and more. Cart AI also features AI novels and AI games, each with their own dedicated pages. The AI Shop section offers additional tools and resources, while the AI Academy provides detailed learning material for users who want to dig deeper. Finally, in your Profile section, you can view your Creator Center, your posts, your saved work, and your favorites. Overall, Cart AI is a powerful all-in-one platform that allows you to create images, videos, characters, apps, effects, workflows, and so much more, all from a single, easy-to-use interface. I hope this guide helps you understand and navigate Cart AI with confidence. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.